What's up everybody, Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, we're going to talk about high search volume, low competition keywords, how to find them. So I want to share with you some valuable tips here, but the very first tip I want to share with you is you need a keyword research tool in order to pull this off. The tool we recommend using is VIDIQ. VIDIQ is a tool that helps you not only find keywords, but also find the competition for these keywords and also find out do they have enough search traffic before you start shooting videos. Check that out in the video description to learn more information about VIDIQ. Now, on to the next tip. Long tail keywords are the secret sauce for finding low competition keywords. So instead of being so broad, be specific about your keywords. The more long tail, or should I say the more keywords it has in a phrase, the more specific it is to your audience. So for example, instead of a person looking for online, for example, they're looking to buy a iPhone, okay, that's kind of broad. What type of iPhone? What color? How to buy iPhone 11 Pro? How to buy iPhone 11 Pro with so-and-so, so-and-so, or how to buy a white iPhone, or how to buy a black iPhone. You get the picture. If you can put a video that's more specific to a certain audience, guess what? It's catering directly to them versus being so broad. So I did a video. I'm gonna share my screen to go a little bit more in depth in this so you can kind of get an understanding of how to do this with this tool that we recommend. So we'll be right back after this. We're going to go straight into it right here. We're going to come straight to the YouTube search bar. So first things first, the best keywords that I recommend using for low competition are going to be long tail keywords. Keywords that are long tail phrases. They're not broad. The shorter the keywords are, the broader they is. So for example, if we want to do, let's see, for example, let's put in low competition. Now, low competition is broad. Keyword that's long tail that has a multiple different variations of words to make a phrase. See, the longer the keyword phrase is, the more specific it is to that keyword. So it kind of identifies what your target audience is looking for. So long tail keywords are very, very specific and they have less competition. So instead of low competition, we can put in low competition keywords with high traffic. We can find out what YouTube suggests for this keyword. So we can go and put an underscore. So whenever you put an underscore, it's going to give you more predictions that lines up with this keyword phrase here. So if I take it away, everything else goes away. So let's do underscore for YouTube. And let's go even further. Let's put another in front of it. How to find low competition keywords with high traffic for YouTube. Very, very good keyword. This is what you call a long tail keyword. Even now, I'm actually shooting the video about this very keyword phrase here, but I want to give you guys an example of how this actually works. So look at this, how to find low competition keywords with high traffic for YouTube. This is a long tail phrase. Now it's time to dive deep. I'm going to show you what tool we are using to dive even deeper to find out the competition of the keywords that we select in the YouTube search bar. So now that we're back and we got an idea of what type of keyword we want to go after, so now we need to check the competition for this keyword. So I recommend using this software here. This is a keyword research tool that I use. It's phenomenal. Love it. It's called VIDIQ. VIDIQ is a plugin that you can put in your browser. It integrates with YouTube and it gives you so much data on keyword research to make your little job a little easier. So whatever you type in your search bar here, once you got your keyword selected, so now we got this keyword, you come over to the right, VIDIQ gives you data on this keyword search term. So guys, it kind of give you a score of, is this keyword good to go after or not? So competition, very low, so green is good, and volume, decent traffic, 45. So guys, this is a tool that you can look into to even get more keywords that has very, very, very low competition or no competition at all and has very high traffic. Depends. Anywhere in the orange on up to green is decent to go after. Long as you got traffic coming to and you got no competition hardly, you good to go. Now, let's say we want to dive a little bit deeper on this keyword. let's go inside of our VIDIQ app. Let me show you that right quick. Go to VIDIQ dashboard. I love this thing. This right here is amazing. So now we can come into our VIDIQ dashboard and let's go to keywords. So let's say we found the keyword we want to go after, and it gives you the competition scoring data right here. So guys, this will tell you which keywords are low, and it also gives you related keywords. So you can actually sort this data. If you hover over them, it give you a score here. So for this particular video here is 7.6. It gets a search volume of 3,366. See, good thing I like about this tool, you can go inside the dashboard and go more in depth to get the search volume, competition, and the overall score. You get the idea. So guys, you can just go down this list here and pick out one that's relevant to what you're trying to talk about for your YouTube video, and pick out the ones that's very low competition. That's it. As you notice here, it goes up. And once it gets up to 20, it turns to from very low to low. So 19, then you got 20. So guys, you can go after all these keywords here. I say stick with very low. Those would be pretty much very low to hardly no competition at all. Anything from medium to very high, I stay away from. But low, you can kind of go after. If your channel has authority, you can go after those keywords here. But anything very low, hey, you're good to go on. So guys, let's say for example, you pick this keyword here, keyword research king. I'm not even sure what that is, but if you go and pop this keyword, copy it, keyword research in YouTube, go back in YouTube here, it's going to give you even more data, and you can kind of see who's on the first page, how many subscribers do they have, things of that nature. And also guys, this is very good for affiliate marketing. So let's say for example, let's say I want to say new iPhone 2021. But notice here, like I said, this is a broad keyword. Competition is high. Okay volume, but the competition is high. So let's do this. We can actually go to put our underscore bar here and see what comes up, or we can put our underscore in front of the keyword and space over. It's going to give you a list of words before this phrase here. So getting a new iPhone, upcoming new iPhone 2021. So instead of new iPhone 2021, which is a broad keyword, now we started getting to more of the long tail phrases. And let's say you want to go after this keyword. What I recommend doing, take this keyword. The data is not so great. So what I recommend doing, taking this keyword, pop it in over here, and see what related keywords that you can come up with related to this keyword. Now, if you notice here, I already got mine sorted from very low to high. So this is our target keyword here that we want to just find out more related keywords on. So for example, if I come down here and go to very low, it's going to show me which keywords have very low competition. iOS 15 supported devices. So guys, you get the idea. So whatever you're trying to do, you can use this keyword research tool. This is what I prefer to use. And also, by the way, the link is in the description for this VidIQ. If you want to take a further look into it, you can take a look at the information in the description below to learn more about VidIQ. But guys, this is how you do keyword research. This is how you find low competition keywords. It's comment time. So when it comes to YouTube search, why do you think it's important to do keyword research before pressing the record button? I want to know your feedback on it. Please leave a comment below. But anyway, I'm Larry Porter signing off with another daily dose of your time freedom, and we will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.